off to buy some stuff or to take with us for camping. We are going camping. We need a lot of stuff. So we are going to, first thing we are going to, we need to buy a microphone. We need to buy a microphone adapter for the Gopro so that we have a better audio for when during filming. And also we need to go to Bunnings. We're going to Bunnings.
Yeah.
We need to buy some stuff in there that we would need.
Anaconda.
And also Anaconda. We need to go to.
We're buying camping gear. We're going to Bunnings to buy hopefully a fan. I've got an Ozito drill, so it's got a battery, rechargeable battery for the Ozito. So hopefully there's an Ozito fan. It's going to be hot. It's summer now.
Hi guys, we just get back from the camera house. We went to JV Hi-Fi, but they don't have the microphone adapters, so we went to the camera house and we got one in there. And this adapter is suitable for Hero 8, 7, 6 of course, and 5 what we got. And it costs $80, so that's how much it costs to buy one of these adapter. Hopefully it should work, and yeah, we will try once we get home. So now we're heading to Anaconda to get some stuff we need for camping. Busy here,
especially on the weekends.
Saturday and Sunday, everyone wants to get some things.
Hi guys, just want to tell you about some gear we brought. Liz mentioned earlier we went shopping to get some gear. We're going to go camping on Monday, tomorrow actually. I'm just waiting for our daughter to come home, and we'll be camping for about 4 days, and it's going to be very hot. So I always wanted to get one of these, so yeah, this is an Ozito, and we're going to need some air conditioning, and this is a fan, and it's much bigger than I thought. It's humongous. So this is the Ozito hammer drill. Ozito. So yeah, it's very powerful. Got a little light, shines there. You can see where you're going. And this is the battery. The battery, press down there, battery comes out. So we'll charge it up and take that with us camping. And we haven't got a powered site, so we will be using this.
Battery in there.
So yeah, the battery clips in the back like that.
Multi-battery.
I've only got one battery, so we'll have to charge it up probably in the toilet. So I've got power points in there, and yeah, so that's going to be our fan. I haven't. That's.
Yeah, I'll go on this side.
Okay, that's on.
That's the control in there.
Yeah, that's the control. It's got 2 speeds. Is that low speed? I can't remember my glasses on.
Yeah, I think that's high speed. That's low speed now.
It's on low speed, so.
Oh wow, that's nice.
That's letting out a nice little breeze for in a tent. It gets very humid same as in the Philippines, very humid in Cairns, and you need something to keep you cool at night, otherwise you just end up sleeping in a camp bed with just sweat. That's really blowing hard.
It just pretty good.
Yeah.
That's what we need. Oh, that's so nice.
Okay, so this is all from Bunnings. Brought the Ozito from Bunnings. Some gas. How much were they?
Can't remember.
You don't look at prices, do you?
That's the only one in there. That's the only brand.
She knows how much these cost because I checked them out.
That's $1.
$1.50.
Yeah.
I know you would have brought them because they stink like toxic poison.
That's all right.
$1.50 they'll kill you.
It's fine.
Some sand pegs for the gazebo, and some hard ground pegs. These are really solid pegs, which last time we went camping we had very high winds and the tent nearly blew over. So yeah, you really need to be careful. Okay, we also got a microphone, a mic adapter. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, got that from Camera House in Cairns. I think I'll open it from this end. Very expensive item, this one. 79, 80 bucks just for that. So yeah, we got this microphone which plugs into here, and then this plugs into the Hero 5, and we will have
Hopefully we will have a better audio.
The audio should be a lot better. Hero 5s are renowned for bad audio problems, and we have a lot of audio problems. It picks up every little sound. If you're in the car, you'd have heard our vlogs when we're in the car. It's making a real humming noise and bad noises, so hopefully this device here will help our sound, our audio. Okay, and this, because we haven't got another camera, we're filming with this, so if you film in the mirror you can see how it fits in there. It will slide into this carry case, which we also got from Wish, and this will plug into the Hero 5, and then on the other side here is where our microphone will get plugged into. So this is a special casing, and this fits in here. But I also think it fits in here, so you can also install it down there and fit it in there as well. So maybe we didn't have to buy this, but anyway, we do that all the time. So yeah, that's it. Okay, we have got the microphone adapter here plugged into the Hero 5 with the microphone up top, and okay, this is just a test to see what the audio is like. Leah,
Yo.
hello, how are you?
Good. I'm just looking for the battery, and then I'm just gonna make note.
You want to sing a tune so we see how the microphone goes? La 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 la.
Wise men say only fools rush in. That's it, or else they're gonna get copyright.
Okay. So that's it. We will see how that sounds. Interference noise here. We're not in the car, so the test will be when we're in the car.
So that's what we have for today. We went to town, we bought some stuff we need for camping, also microphone, adapter, and we are ready to go camping tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow to Innisfail. What's the name again?
Etty Bay,
Etty Bay.
south of Innisfail, probably about 2-hour drive from here to Etty Bay. Camping grounds right on the beach, and a lot of wildlife there, so we hope to capture some good footage of the cassowary. It's a large flightless bird of the far north, so that will be an interesting vlog for people who are interested in coming to the far north and want to see a cassowary. This is the place to come.
I just want to say thank you to all our subscribers that watches our videos, and also to our new subscribers, especially to my super chatter from last premiere, Etty Bay Beach. Thank you so much po sa iyo pong pagpalipad sa akin. Shoutout po sa iyo, ate. Thank you so much po. My videos at the moment are tourist destinations around Cairns. Hopefully our vlogs will make it easier for people to look for tourist destinations or attractions around Cairns.
Far north, really. It's about not just about Cairns, it's about the far north, which can incorporate all the way down to Mackay, Townsville, Cairns, Cooktown. I love it's a big area, the far north, so we're just trying to promote the far north.
If you're watching our video and you haven't subscribed, we invite you to subscribe into our channel, and don't forget to click that bell button next to the subscribe button. That is so that you will be notified, or you will receive automatically our next vlog. Thank you so much, and we will see you in Innisfail when we get there.
Etty Bay, see you there.